Hi friends, I am Mary from Mary Crochet.
In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to crochet these baby shoes. It's very easy and it's a beginner friendly pattern. So now let's begin. For this project, I am using hook size number 3 and yarn of 2 colors and it's medium size. First, we are going to crochet this green color part. Start with a magic ring, chain 1 and 6 single crochets in the magic ring. Row number 2, we will start with the chain 1 and this time we will do 2 half double crochets in each stitch across. So in the end we will have 12 half double crochets in total. Row number 3, we will start with the chain 1 and this time we will do 1 half double crochet in one stitch and move on to the next stitch. We will do 2 half double crochets. So repeat this pattern across and in the end we will have total number of stitches 18. Start row number 4 with the chain 1 and 1 half double crochets each in the next 2 stitches. And in this third stitch we will do 2 half double crochets. So repeat this pattern across and in the end we will have total number of stitches 24. Row number 5, begin with the chain 1 and 1 half double crochets in each stitch across. In the end we will have 24 total stitches. At this point our row number 5 completed. Now slip stitch to finish this row, cut the yarn and weave the ends. Now we will crochet the pink part of the shoe, for which we need to do a slip knot. Take this green color part and in this we will work in the back loop of the stitch. I repeat again, we will work in the back loop. So first we will make a slip stitch and chain 1. Now we will make 1 half double crochets in each stitch across. Here we finish our row by slip stitch in the very first stitch that we have made. Now chain 1 and we will repeat the pattern across, 1 half double crochet in each stitch. By repeating the same pattern we will crochet 2 more rows. So here we have 3 rows. Now what we will do, we will chain 1 and we will do 1 half double crochets in the next 18 stitches. So the total number of stitches we need is 18. Our 18 stitches completed. Now what we will do is, now we will do chain 1 and turn your work. Again we will do 1 half double crochets in the next 18 stitches. By repeating the same pattern, we will start a new row. Chain 1 and 1 half double crochets in the next 18 stitches. So by repeating this pattern, we will make total number of rows 8. This is how our shoes look like after the completion of the 8 rows. So hang in there, I'll show you the next step. And remember to follow and subscribe your crochet buddy Mary. So our next step is to sew this shoes together. I'll show you how, but first turn your work inside out and take these 2 pieces together and simply we will sew these 2 parts together. Now we will do 1 single crochet across these edges. This will give a very neat and finishing look to your project. So just 1 single crochet in each space across. Now we will cut the yarn and weave the end. So this is how our crochet shoes looks like. Looks really very cute. So next what we will do is to glue these Google eyes. But before putting these eyes, we need to crochet this nose part. For crocheting this nose part, what we will do is first start with a slip knot and chain 6. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next we will do one single crochet in each chain across. Now chain 1 and turn your work. So at this point we will crochet 2 single crochet together. In the next stitch only one single crochet, and again in the last 2 stitches we will do 2 single crochets together. Now chain 1 to start the new row and turn your work, and in this row we will make one single crochet in each stitch across. To begin a new row, we will do chain 1 and turn your work. Now again we will do 2 single crochets together. Here we did our first one, so for the next again 2 single crochets together. Now chain 1 and turn your work, and in this very last we will do 2 single crochets together, chain 1 and cut your yarn, weave the end. Now we are going to assemble our nose part and the eyes part with the help of this glue gun. Put a little more glue to secure it nicely. And here comes the eyes part. Just put a little glue to secure it nicely. Now we add tassels to the shoes to give it a more cute look. So we need to take 4 strands of yarn and just pull it through the corner of the shoes and make a knot. Now trim it to give it a more nice and finished look. Alright girls, here is the final look of our crochet shoes, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and also remember to follow and subscribe your crochet buddy Mary. Okay, stay blessed. Bye.
Bye.